Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at how we generate reports from our yield data. Okay, now we want to print off some yield reports of the data. So what we look at is the button along the top bar where it says All Reports. We'll click that, and then we are presented with various different options. We select Field, and then we go down to Yield Monitor Load Report. This is the only report that we can print out in relation to yield data unless we fill in all the other information from our inputs, which is covered under another video, where we're able to look at our enterprise, so the performance of our crop over a whole year, taking into account sprays and fertilizers to be able to get a gross margin for the particular crop. We need the information in relation to fertilizers for fertilizer use. So this yield monitor load report is the only report that we can get out using yield data as our only input. We need to spend a lot more time in entering information into the software to be able to use all the other reports. And so we've got our yield monitor load report. We'll click OK. Then we have the option then of selecting either our year or all of the years. We can work on an individual commodity or all our commodities in that particular year. Or if we want to, we can select a particular farm and how we work with that individual farm. So here I've just selected home farm, for example, and it filters out all of the rest. So we'll stick with that one, and it's your choice as to how you want to look and filter out your data, if you do at all. So we then select all to highlight all of the tasks in the window. Then we'll select print, and the dialog window changes to show us our yield monitor load report. We can print it using the icon there. If you want to change the printer setup, then it's that one, or if you want to export it to another format, we can do that as well, whether it's a PDF file or an Excel file, depending on how we want to analyze it. So the choice is yours on how you do that. We'll cancel that at this stage, because all we want to do is look at the individual crops, and that is basically it. That is the only report that we can do and generate from our yield data.